Welcome to Climate Corner. I'm Gargi Rawat and today we're focusing on Uttarakhand. Now, Uttarakhand, the Himalayan state, is facing an unusually severe winter marked by a near complete absence of rain and snowfall, a development that has triggered forest fires in the high altitude regions of the state, and it's also raised serious concerns about the fragile Himalayan ecosystem. Now, one of the most worrying incidents that has taken place just recently has been the forest fire near the Valley of Flowers range, a part of the Nanda Devi National Park and Biosphere Reserve. This prompted the state administration to even seek aerial firefighting support from the Indian Air Force. Now, the fire, let's tell you a bit about that. It broke out in early January. It spread rapidly across large tracts of forest despite freezing nighttime temperatures. With the ground team struggling to access this rugged terrain and contain the blaze, the Indian Air Force had to be called in to assist with the aerial operations to douse the flames. The affected area lies within the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's known for its alpine meadows, medicinal plants, and rare wildlife species are also found there that would have been affected by the fire. Now, this winter, Uttarakhand has received little to no significant precipitation, which has pushed the state into what scientists are describing as a hydrological drought. The lack of snowfall is particularly alarming for central Himalayas, where seasonal snow acts as a natural reservoir. It slowly releases water into rivers and streams during the warmer months. Experts have also warned that continued snow deficit could push glaciers in the region into a negative mass balance, which means that they're losing more ice than they're gaining, and this has long-term implications for water security across northern India. Of course, this is a long-term view that we're taking. Right now, the crisis is happening just this season. The impact is visible on the ground. In fact, crops across several districts have suffered an estimated loss of 15 to 25% because of the dry soil conditions. Apple orchards, which rely on sufficient winter chilling, are also under strain. At the same time, forests that would normally retain moisture through snow cover have become tinder dry. This is what's allowing the fires to break out much earlier than usual. In fact, Uttarakhand's forests are particularly vulnerable during dry spells. Forest fires are nothing that are uncommon. This is because of the cheer pine trees and the needles that are shed that accumulate on the forest floor, creating a highly combustible layer that allows flames to spread rapidly. Pine resin also is flammable, which further intensifies fires once they start. But, however, the blaze happening at this time has been alarming, especially the one in Nanda Devi. Conservationists have warned that prolonged fires could severely damage alpine vegetation, medicinal herbs, as well as wildlife habitats in the Biosphere Reserve. Repeated exposure to fire can also destabilize mountain slopes, increasing the risk of landslides once the monsoon arrives, and that's something we've already seen increasing in these areas. Climate scientists say the unfolding situation fits a broader pattern of climate change in the Himalayas. Rising average temperatures and shifting weather patterns are leading to warmer winters, reduced snowfall, earlier snowmelt, and longer dry periods. And together, these changes are effectively stretching the forest fire season, allowing blazes to ignite weeks earlier than in the past and in areas previously considered less prone to such forest fires. So, what is unfolding in Uttarakhand this winter is not a distant climate warning, but a present-day crisis, from burning forests and failing crops to shrinking glaciers and stressed rivers. The consequences of warming climate are already reshaping life in the mountains, and the costs, both ecological and economic, are mounting rapidly.